The Lincoln Way app is designed to help enhance your Lincoln ownership experience. It allows you to connect with your Lincoln vehicle, access certain vehicle features, Lincoln services, and manage your account. You can download the Lincoln Way app from your preferred app store, enroll by creating an account or logging into an existing account with your email and password. Scanning your vehicle identification number or your VIN is the easiest way to add a vehicle, or you can enter your VIN manually. To scan your VIN, first locate the VIN on the driver's door jamb. Make sure the Lincoln Way app has access to your camera. Tap Add Vehicle from the home screen on the app and place your VIN in the center of the camera window. Then allow the camera to scan your VIN. You can add multiple Lincoln vehicles to your Lincoln Way app. You will be able to see specific information about your vehicle. On the Vehicle tab, you can see the fuel level and fuel range, as well as the status, location, schedule remote starts, and settings. You can also control certain vehicle features remotely. You can unlock or lock the vehicle from this screen and remotely start your vehicle to warm up the cabin seats and steering wheel or to get going quickly. You can also access additional information about available connected services such as Lincoln Blue Cruise. Select service at the bottom of the screen to see more detailed information about your vehicle, including the odometer reading, tire pressure information, and the oil life. You can also save time by scheduling service directly in the app. Under the emergency section, you can request roadside or collision assistance. Under the reference section, you can check your alert history, service history, and vehicle maintenance schedule. If you'd like to know more about Lincoln Black Label offerings, you can access that information from the app as well. To view your account information, select the profile icon in the upper right corner. Here is where you can access your messages, notifications, and alerts. You can also access your Lincoln Access Rewards account and member benefits and connect to Lincoln Automotive Financial Services. There is also a contact help section that provides a telephone number to the Lincoln Client Relationship Center if help is needed. The Lincoln Way app makes it very convenient to manage your Lincoln vehicle right from the palm of your hand. Thank you for watching.